Now let us see one more example to understand the class and object better. Let us create STU for typing time saving. Now let us define a method called details, and here we are giving name and age, and let us say puts name and puts age, and the method and the class. Now we can create a is equal to dot new. Object is created. Now we can access the method details, give the details like Peter comma 21. Now if we enter, we are getting name and age, but if you want to check like what is the name, we can write ANME. Now it will give error. Why it is giving error, I will show you. So it is giving the error, it is not getting the name of student A, and the same thing, it is not getting age. So for that, what we should have to write, so let us again create a class student. Now we should have to write attr underscore reader. So what attributes should be read? So name comma age. Why it is useful? It is useful for, we can like once a, I will show you the example, don't worry. And now let us define a method called details and name comma age. Once we have done that, we should have to create the instance, means we should have to set the data. Name is equal to name at age is equal to age. Now we can puts name, puts age, that's according to our requirement. And so why we are setting the data, we'll be explaining it detailedly, don't worry. Now what is it? The name and age. So every object we create, we should, the name of that object should be different. Like we can create A object, B object, C object, like n number of objects. So every object needs a instance. So here we are creating the instance of the name and age attributes, and allowing the user to get the name and age. Now let us see the example. A is equal to student dot new. Let us create one more. B is equal to student dot new. Now we have created two objects. Now let us give the details. Let us say Robert, and the age is 21. So here it is printing because we have written puts in the method. Let us create the details of B object also. B we will be giving Peter, and the age we will be giving like 16, let us say. So once we have created it, the objects, and access the details, now we can access the attributes also. So what are the attributes? Reader, the name and the age. So now we can say A, what is the name? Robot. What is the age? 21. Like this we can access B dot name, B dot age. So why we are writing attribute here? See, so in some cases we need not, like we did not want to give the access to the name, or we did not want to give the access to the age. Here we will be not writing the age, and everything program should will be same. So what happens, the user can access the name but cannot access the age. Like this, if you are creating any like bank details, you can access the name, you can access the account details, but you cannot access the balance. So that I will be showing you. So let us quickly create access same class again, class student, and let us attr reader, let us give the name can be accessed, age can be accessed, and but let us say fees cannot be accessed. Fees cannot be accessed. And now let us create a details with name comma age comma fees, and create the instance. Name is equal to name, age is equal to age, and fees is equal to fees. These are very helpful. So when we write like another function, we can access this name, age, fees and play around with that we will be seeing. So for now, just remember that we are just setting the data, and then let me end the function, end the class. Now let us create a is equal to student dot new. Let us say b is equal to student dot new. So we have created object A, object B. Now let us give the details. Let us say name as Peter, age as 21, and sex as male. Let us give B dot details, give Mary. Like this we can hide anything. Here we are hiding the sex, female. So now we can access it like a dot name, a dot age. Actually fees we have given male, and don't worry about the naming convention. Here you can change it like sex. Now if you want to access the fees like a dot fees, it is not allowing. You cannot access the field which haven't written in the attribute reader. Here what are all the fields we have written, only that fields can be read. That is the abstraction usability. We can hide some of the data from the user access, like this b dot name, b dot age. Like this we can access and play around with it. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video. Keep practicing. If you don't practice, you will get very much confused when we go into the further concepts. Make sure you definitely practice. Meet you in the next video.